Present a current passport and the necessary visas prior to leaving the spaceport. Passengers requiring assistance should visit the nearest spaceport information kiosk. Thank you.
Ciekawski wzorek z tak Lorisa
Star Tours is now offering convenient day departures to the tranquil planet of Naboo. Visit historic landmarks in the capital city of Phoenix. You might even catch a glimpse of the recently elected Queen of Naboo. Or, if you crave adventure, you won't want to miss a tour of the once hidden Naboo city.
Smoothly, and that's the way I like it. Yes, sir. Well, look at you. You look strong enough to pull the ears off a Gundam. That's just an expression. And most creatures, including Gundams, get very mad if you pull their ears. You, look confused.
Captain is having some sort of technical problem. And that's why I'm the systems analyst and you are the astromech. Don't you tell me to hurry, you overgrown blob of grease. I know exactly what time you depart. You just do your job, and I'll do mine. Excuse me, Captain.
Who are you?
C-3PO, systems analyst.
It's about time. The binary motivator's acting up.
Well, binary is like a second language to me, but I come to fix the motivator from here.
Just make it quick. We're scheduled to depart in a few minutes.
Then there's no time to lose. Off with you. Go on, shoot, shoot. Tour droids, ready. What? Oh, now this is malfunctioning too. This could take longer than I thought.
Make it quick. We're scheduled to depart in a few minutes.
Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left. For your safety, remain seated throughout your flight with your restraints securely fastened. And please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados, con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Do not put on your flight glasses until instructed to do so by a crew member. One final reminder, smoking and photography are never permitted on any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
Please prepare for immediate boarding.
Star Tours, 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh,
Don't shoot!
prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am C-3PO.
We know you have this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that human before. Oh dear. Gotta go!
Don't underestimate my power.
No!
I want that spy.
Please, R2. Someone could get hurt! Right, R2. Where are we now? The Wookiee planet. Imperial troopers, what are they doing here? Otto, hit the brakes! It worked! No, this way, Otto! I'm sorry! Hang on! The transmission. Now what?
I am Princess Leia of Alderaan. We've placed a rebel spy vital to the survival of the rebellion into your starspeeder. You must see them safely delivered to the coordinates I'm transmitting to your R2 unit. This is our most desperate hour. Help me, Star Tours. You're my only hope.
Only hope. What do you mean we'll be making a slight detour?
Identify yourself or be destroyed.
Destroyed?
Follow us down to the rebel hideout. You'll be safe there.
Thank the Maker! We're hit! R2, send out a distress signal! Look out, R2! We nearly hit that poor Gungan.
Star Tours, follow the ship. It's gonna lead you through the planet's core.
Any help would be appreciated.
We are picking up some strange readings. Stay close.
Oh dear!
We are under attack! Alert, Star Tours. You are on your own now.
On our own? Do something! And I thought I hated space travel! Brakes! Brakes! Where are the brakes? What do you mean we broke your ship? You broke our viewport! And I did not give you permission to come aboard. So sorry for the inconvenience. We hope you enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye!
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.
Got a little later. Back inside.